Okay, I'm going to mount the Rok-Form car mount first. I'm going to pick a location that is appropriate, and I've found a place. I'm going to put mine right here, so my phone will sit about right there. I can see it. It's not blocking any of the buttons or the screen. It's away from the steering wheel. So I'm going to mount mine right there. First, I've got a damp cloth. I'm going to wipe the location with a damp cloth. Make sure I wipe it very well. And then I'm going to dry it. Okay. This came with the phone case. I'm going to tear it off. I'm going to wipe the area with it very well. Make sure it's clean. Okay. I'm going to take the phone mount. I'm going to check it one more time. Make sure the location works. Put it right there. I'll peel the adhesive back. The instructions say to stick it and hold it firmly for 30 seconds. So I'm going to put it in. I'm going to hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, it's 30 seconds. Let's see if it works. There we go.